This right here is tension and gives headache. This is comfort. So today we'll discuss comfort and tension. What are some of the things that braiders do or in the process of learning that causes tension? Number one, you are dragging each of the strands like that. You drag and you grip very close to the scalp, as you see what I'm doing now. Now, as I'm pulling it up and I'm gripping it, I'm holding it so tight. Even adding of hair, can you see there's no space in between? I'm just dragging it. No free space. And dragging it. Now, when you do this continuously, it pulls the hair in front and you notice most of the front lines are gone. You've probably seen some hairstyles, or when some persons make hair, you feel for them because it's as if you are seeing all the veins of the hair. That is tension. So as you're learning how to cornrow, make sure you work on comfort. Now we're going to test this right now. This will give support to your scalp. Can you see it is very tight, close to the scalp? And this is what some braiders do, and it causes headache. When you try to drag it, do you see it cannot pull because it's so close to the scalp? This is tension. We want to avoid this. Now let's see the right way to do this. So the first thing we want to do is to comb the hair. As always, you can check the tutorial on tools for making cornrow. So I want to make it. Now notice as I'm making it, I'm not pulling each of the strand. I'm just going gently, firm, but not so close to the scalp. So your goal when we see tight is it should be secure but not painful. If your scalp feels sore or you see bumps after braiding or making your cornrow, it's too tight. So you want to go steady, gently, firm, but not so tight. When making the hair, use your finger to guide, not pull. Also, keep your hands close to the scalp. That helps you to control the braid better without extra pressure. So let's test this one to see how the hair is. Is it tension or comfort? Now you can see if you pull the hair, you can see that there is this space underneath. You can even put something under in case you want to do crochet. So this is comfort. Let's go for comfort, not tension. Let's try to put the tensed one side by side. We just quickly make a quick braid of a tensed hair. So we are putting tension on the hair strands. We are pulling every bit of it. So we are pulling, and it's very close to the scalp. Very, very close. Remember, too much tension is equals to breakage. Tension causes breakage, especially around the edges. That is why many persons that make Ghana weaving and some of those weaving, at the end of the month, most of the hairlines are gone. Please, let's protect our hair, our hairline. That is your crown. Your hair is your crown. So we are going to test the results side by side to see tension or comfort. Which do you prefer? So let's test. This is, of course, comfort, and this is tension. The hook cannot go in. It's very tight. If you make hair, if you're learning hair, try to also learn comfort. You can see it's going through it. But for the other one, it doesn't. So here's a quick test. After making your cornrow, try to see how flexible your cornrow is. Once you finish, try moving that section slightly or try to put something underneath. So your goal now is to practice. So practice making cornrow gently but firmly. Check for scalp and comfort and smoothness instead of tightness. You notice your cornrows still look neat and your scalp will thank you later. So this is, the first one is comfort. This is tension. Don't go for comfort, not tension. This is day 5 of the cornrow and heady scalp challenge. On day 6, we will learn how to make even cornrows where all the cornrow are equal. See you on day 6. Bye.